she starts off with very long black hair and she ends up getting this gorgeous copper tone. This is such a drastic makeover. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, love the way these money piece highlights were done. Love that pop of neon. Actually, I wouldn't even say that's a pop. I would say the whole entire color combo that he created is just... Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So this hair video is going to feature some bold hair ideas. First up, we see this gorgeous kind of fuchsia tone hair color. The stylist did a blowout and that color is absolutely gorgeous. Well blended, mixed in with the natural black tone of her hair. And the color is extremely vibrant. Love it. So then we see someone with a lavender color lob. This is a great color if you don't want something too drastic like the first one and you want to kind of keep things a little bit more simple. I like to call this unicorn colored hair myself because that's just what it reminds me of, just mystical and magical hair coloring. So moving on to the next one, she starts off with very long black hair and she ends up getting this gorgeous copper tone. This is such a drastic makeover. I absolutely love the way that she looks with copper colored hair. She got her eyebrows done as well to offset the color and just really go with it. She looks absolutely amazing. So the next hairstyle is actually going to feature a haircut. This one is going to be like more of that very popular mixie bixie cut that's going around. She does have a beautiful natural wavy texture that really goes really well with the style, and I think this is such a cute, fun look. So then we move on to the next one. This one is going to feature a color and haircut change. I am already digging the overall shape that the stylist has created. Love that pop of neon. Actually, I wouldn't even say that's a pop. I would say the whole entire color combo that he created is just very unique and bold. There's a little bit of orange, neon green, mint green. Definitely a fun, vibrant, and unique hairstyle. So next up we see another pixie. This one is more of the sister to the pixie. And then we move into another hair transformation. So she ended up getting the very popular blonde money piece bob look with this one. Very pretty. She's rocking that in the form of a wig. A great option if you don't want to actually color your hair yourself. And then we see more of that pixie bob style, aka the pixie cut. I would also classify this as a mushroom pixie, but since the stylist called it a pixie bob, we're gonna go with that. So next up, we have someone with a rather unique haircut already. Looks like she had an extreme angled bob. So as you can see, she does have blonde going there in the front. This is more of that longer pixie style that does feature slight money piece hair coloring going in the front, contrasting color with the blonde and the black. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're wondering if you can pull off some of the money piece highlights and the pops of color that are going around this season, this is a great example of how you can play off that trend. So then we move into the next one. She's also going to be getting some coloring done. Looks like she is going icy. And the stylist has done an icy blonde pixie cut. I love the texture with that transformation. It's so beautiful. And then we see someone getting some coloring done. Oh, love the way these money piece highlights were done. She has the money piece highlights in the front, honey blonde coloring. That was so beautiful. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.